What is up, guys? I just posted my introduction video on this account. It says who I am, what I do, and it also tells you about my other account if you haven't already seen it, Kanks. It's my travel vlog account. Go check that out if that's what you like. If not, and you don't care about any of the shit I just mentioned, we're going to go straight into a German DAX trade that we took last night, Monday 7th of July for New York session, making 389 USD off a $250 position, light risk, light reward. Let's get into it.
Okay, so right off the bat, 4-hour chart, we had a 4-hour break of structure to the upside here with this body, not the wick, the body closing above this high with major displacement. Look at that. It wasn't just a little bit up, it was completely boom. We've run through it. This could probably be a daily high. We'll actually have a look. It was. We closed above a fucking daily high. And also filling this inverse fair value gap, boom, and respecting it. Any other confluences? I mean, yeah, we've got this inverse right here. We run through it, close above, retest, close out bullish. And then on the hourly, we have an hourly break structure right here. Before maintaining bullish sentiment all the way through the days. And then we have an hourly fair value gap right here that we create, come in, close out bullish, retest again, close out bullish, run with it. So just nothing but support for bullish confluence, bullish sentiment. And if we're looking at price targets, Monday 7th of July. 7th of July. Why do these charts look different? This is the 5-minute. So yeah, both confluences. We're going to mark out this fair value gap just in case, just to see how price reacts off of it. Off the 5-minute, we have these recent highs that we made before, a massive leg down. You know, this just tells us probably some orders were filled, quite a hefty amount. So we did have a TP up here. And then my other TPs, I believe, was a 15-minute high from all the way over here. Could it have been this and this? Okay, we took that one already. It was this one here. Alright. So, straight into it. We'll actually delete that because it's a bit confusing. This is an up close candle, barely, but we did see this as a break of structure, especially with this impulsive move up. We've inversed a fair value gap here, we've inversed a fair value gap here, and we got a fair value gap closing over that fair value gap, over the inverse, which can be considered. I don't use this anymore, but it can be considered a BVR. I'm just going to mark it out anyway. We had a 5-minute candle, touch back into both of these, close out bullish. We bought 9.24 contracts. But we can only do 9 on here, because this was on 184 euro. So yeah, it was about 250 USD. Stops up here, and a TP here, which is about a 1-to-1, I believe. Fuck. Anyway, you get the gist. It was a 1-to-1, and then this one here was a 1-to-2.5. We'll go into the 1 minute so we can get an accurate. This is actually going to be hard because we did just completely dick up through it. As you're about to see, we absolutely run through this and close like up here somewhere. We touched into this 1 minute fair value gap. Maybe that was the impulsive move. Close out of it. Could have honestly scaled in here as a re-entry, but not really willing to. Okay, there we go. We sold half of our contracts. We'll do 5. We move stops to break even. 175 euro on the day, and then obviously just absolutely running up to the next TP. 380. It was 380 USD. This is just more because we had to close here, but we closed about here. And yeah, that was the whole trade right here. So nothing too crazy. If we do let market run, we can see that it was low-key perfect price targets. Because I believe, oh no, we just kept going up, and then we shit the bed. I just want to see what we took out up here. This would have stopped us at break even. So let me just, what was up here? That caused that reaction. Okay. Nothing crazy. Really nothing. Maybe it was news that made us shit the bed. Anyway, that's basically the trade. Thank you so much for watching. We'll just quickly prove it on here. Close positions. Yep. So we had a total of, I did open another position because I seen a re-entry, but then I closed it out like a few minutes later, because I was like, nah, I just shouldn't be in the market. And that was actually right before we dig down anyway, so I knew I was getting greedy, so I closed it out. There we go, 9.24 contracts in German DAX, making us, yeah, 389. And then this month we've made, I'll tell you right there, 763.33. 760. Huh? Obviously, yeah. Swaps. Bang. Okay, anyway. You boys get the gist. Account's looking pretty good. Pissed off about this. This was a stop loss at break even. 27 cents lost. That's 27 cents I'm never going to get back. So, yeah.
Hope you liked this video. If you did, please follow it. If you're interested in the travel vlogs, please follow my other account, Kanks. This is Kanks Trades. It's just Kanks, Q-A-N-C-S. And I pray you have a beautiful day, and may God bless you all.